If you're using Vodafone and then you dial star 505 and then they don't borrow you any credit, then this video is very good for you. Why am I saying this? I'm saying this because you can use Vodafone without credits to call all other networks for free. So in this video, I'll take you through how to do that. It's very simple, very convenient. Alright, so in this video I'll be teaching you how to use Vodafone to call other network even if you don't have credit. It is free. There will be no deduction anytime you buy credit or anything of that sort. Okay, what we know is that if you run out of credit on Vodafone, you're using Vodafone, you run out of credit, you have one option, either to dial star 119 star, then you add your the Vodafone number you want to send a message, a call me back to you, and then you add hash and then send a message to the recipient that you try to reach the person but you run out of credit and then therefore he needs to call you. But this one is very simple. It is not only with Vodafone numbers but with all other networks. So supposing you want to call an MTN line and then you realize that you've run out of credit, what do you do when you have a Vodafone SIM? Alright, so in this video I'll be teaching you how to go about the whole process, how to use your Vodafone, and then the number you need to dial to use your Vodafone number to call Vodafone itself and MTN. You understand? You can use Vodafone to call the person at any time at your convenience. So the only thing you need to do is to dial star, you add the recipient or the person you want to call's number, and then just send. And that is all. The person will receive a call but won't be able to answer your call. It's just like pay for me, but so this one is not. The person cannot speak, but Vodafone will give you the access, the permission to ring the person's phone wherever he or she is. So that's here. So that I don't know about wow. Remember, only credit, but you can, with the help of the star, then followed by the number, you'll be able to reach out to the person, and the person will call you back. That's a whole flashing on. But under normal circumstance, no need credit. You don't have credit. So I'll be trying one for you to see. So I'll first check my credit for you all to see here and to see how much I have in my account before I start with the whole process. Alright, so this is my Vodafone balance. I'll be checking it. Alright, you all can see, you see main account is 0002 whenever. I don't know. Okay. Now again, I'll try to call someone for you all to see and then see that I really do not have any credit. Mini credit ampa. Timefre, I think this is my online. Timefre, my line. Alright, a MTN line, mini credit. Timefre, wait. This was credit.
Now, as your balance is too low to make this call. Service fee 5 pesos.
Alright, so no. Now I don't have credit, but I'll just go back and then just click on star 0552853. Let's say I just click on this number, so I'll be dialing this number, right? So when I dial this number, initially I didn't have credit, but it will go, right? So this is it. Let's see what it tells me here. Alright, I didn't know if you get it. I'll try it again for you to see. Now it is there, star 055. So if I call and then put the volume speaker, this is what. Alright, it goes. Alright, I did not have credit, but I've been able to flash the person without credit. Someone will say that is MTN. What about Vodafone? You can use the same Vodafone line to call any other Vodafone line. If you don't have credit, just use the same procedure. So it's just let's say, let me just do this, 02026890, and this is it. So I just call. I don't have credit, but let me just call. Alright, when I call, it rings and then it cuts. You understand? It's just like as a way in flashing. It's just like a flashing the person or giving the person a call me back. So that is it. You would think I have credit, so let me just try again. Call the number itself, 02026892. We'll be back as a Vodafone line in our call. So right, so my friend, some more credit and so you will hear Many credits, so I'll wait it. You know. But everything, wait me, you can book and listen to.
1. To get 50 pesos SOS credit now, as your balance is too low to make this call.
Alright.
Service fee.
So balance is very low. It's too low to make this call. But with the help of star and the person's number, you'll be able to give the person a call me back, or you'll be able to flash the person. Send your account, yes, or flash in the panel. Okay, or flash it and call. Okay, me now say this is my video. So I mean, if you like what I'm doing, don't hesitate to subscribe to my channel. Right, share it to a friend who you think it will benefit, and then the person should also subscribe, like my video, and then comment.